Hello, this is going to be a very short video on a little bit about coloring on a slide and a couple of ways to lay out photos to increase the visual appeal of your presentation. This is the final product. The way I do it is I build a text box first. This is an example of what not to do. You can't see it. So I just change it to white. Okay? Then I come down and then I insert the picture. Well, I go like this. Cut. Paste. I change the color. There it is. I kind of move the picture around and get it centered. It's that easy. Well, I hope this helps, giving you new ideas. There is another way to do it, is to place the picture to the far right and then your wording here. I did try to put it over here, and I did try to see what it would look like in dark, but the background kind of like doesn't work with this particular heading. Well, I hope this has given you some ideas as you begin to discuss your team PowerPoint. Thank you.